ever feel like your life is being wasted away? Most people feel completely lost and doomed, while others get some good things going on, only to get distracted and catch big L's. Listen, I understand that life can be very difficult, and it's not easy to find the right direction. But at the same time, I want you to know a little secret. If you waste your potential away, you are pathetic. Because a man that wastes his life away is no more than scum. That is why we will discuss 7 habits that change your life for the better. Number 1, deep thinking. Most people live like a bot. They blindly follow what the system has told them and end up in the rat race. It's no wonder they feel doomed. The system, the matrix, whatever you want to call it, it was not designed to make you fulfill your inner potential. It's made to suck the life energy out of you and turn you into a bot. To completely change your life, you need to think. Sit down in a quiet room and don't have your phone nearby. That will only keep you distracted. Be a man and sit down for a moment and think about everything going on in your life. Think about the current direction of your life and where you will end up if you continue to follow that path. And think about where you want to go in life. Who is the person you want to become? What kind of life is he living? And lastly, what would it take to get there? Think deeply for a moment. It sounds crazy, but if you just sit down and think, you are already doing more than 80% of people. Most people are so distracted by celebrities and social media that their brains are completely fried. They are incapable of just sitting in silence and having deep thoughts. After you're done thinking, don't just grab your phone instantly and get distracted like a little worm. Instead, grab a piece of paper or a journal and write down the important thoughts you just had. Now that you got a clear picture, you can start to work on a plan, because a goal without a plan is just a wish. To work on your plan, you need to get back to deep thinking again. You don't need to do it all in one day, but make sure you take a daily moment to just think and write your thoughts down afterwards. You may think deep thinking is boring or a waste of time, but the greatest men in human history have always sat down with their own thoughts, and you will get nowhere without using your head. Number 2, analysis paralysis. This may seem contradictory to what I just said, but thinking too much leads to paralysis by analysis. It's extremely important to think things through, but many use thinking as a means of avoiding action. Most people only analyze, but are too cowardly to execute. Don't be a dork that doesn't take action. Your thoughts should be turned into a reality. Action should always follow up after your thoughts. Number 3, drop the dead weight. Most guys are surrounded by people that are happily mediocre. People that make nothing out of their lives and are happy to drag you down with them. If you're surrounded by deadweight losers, you are not going to get far in life. Don't be cocky and think you're the exception to this rule. Keeping deadweight people around you is like driving a car with the handbrake on. Listen, it's the little things people in your circle do and say that can hold you back. Things like, you work too hard, or why do you go to the gym so much, may seem innocent, but it's a psychological way of stopping your momentum. It's a spell being casted on you that will slow you down. Be ruthless with people that cast limiting spells on you. The moment people make a joke about your goals or advise you to stop working so hard, tell them you don't want to hear them speak like that ever again. If the people around you don't cheer you on or help you grow, the very least they can do is shut up and don't say anything to steer you off course. Number 4, life goes on. The world never pauses to wait for you. Even if you're sad, depressed, broke, or lying in the hospital with both your legs amputated, life always goes on. And if you don't move with it and achieve what you want, you will get left behind. So, matter what you're going through, always make a daily consistent effort towards actualizing your goals. Number 5. Aggressive gratitude. I always say gratitude is powerful, but people never understand what I mean. Gratitude isn't just something that makes you feel good, it's much more than that. Listen, as long as I can move, I cannot get out of shape because I consider it ungrateful to trash my body. I will always make sure to stay physically strong and fit out of sheer gratitude. This is just an example, but you can apply it to anything in life. Try to truly be grateful from your heart. Think about what you are gifted with, the opportunities around you, your healthy mind and body. And now, understand that it's extremely ungrateful to disregard those blessings and waste your life away. You should be aggressively grateful, eager to repay your blessings with hard work every single day. Number 6. Change your environment. I've changed my environment many times in my life, and I can tell you from experience that it makes a huge difference. You see, making changes in your environment can make it easier to do what's right without needing motivation. If you're living in Thailand next to 5 Muay Thai gyms, it's very easy to start doing Muay Thai every day. If you're in a business environment surrounded by entrepreneurs, it becomes easier to make money. Set up your surroundings so that making the best decisions comes easily. This way, you can set yourself up to practice better habits. It may be uncomfortable if you've never done it before, but you just need to push through that discomfort. The world is bigger than your hometown, and growth never comes in your comfort zone. Number 7. Healthy relationship with money. Most people have an unhealthy relationship with money. This results in them being constantly broke. Some people even hate on rich people or think money is evil. It is a coping mechanism for dealing with their own lack of understanding of money. Like masculinity, female nature, and all other things, money is something you should learn about. There is so much I could share on how money works or even different ways to make money. I can go in depth on about 8 different online skills to make money right now, but that's not what this video is about right now. Just know that it's crucial to develop your financial literacy. If you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.